Good afternoon, Ma'am Elizabeth.
Good afternoon to everyone.
How are you today, ma'am?
I am fine, thank you. I have seen him, and we talked, and I was with my granddaughter, Bella. So we talked about his father, and also mundane things about Davao. Asked about how is Davao, how is Baste, how is Paulo. So that's it.
Ma'am, yesterday the Vice President made mention about her position about pro-cremation. What's your position, ma'am, if you mind me asking?
If I am
Pro or against?
Yeah. If I am to be if hindi ba na ako mag-decide, no? If it is my decision, I would follow whatever his decision is. So if he wants to be cremated, that's what also one of the discussion we had. If he wants to be cremated, then so be it. Yeah.
Well, ma'am, was the former president really happy to see the granddaughter Bella?
Yes, and he asked, whose child is that? Sabi ko kay Baste. Baste. And I asked him, what would be your message to the people outside? If it is his destiny to be here, then so be it. No, he has no apologies, no regrets, and that's it. He's accepting it already, and that's why we talk about the cremation. So I said, okay, if that is your decision, so I'll follow his decision. But if it is it's the children's decision, I cannot say that. Yeah.
May question kayo, guys?
Question ko lang, ma'am, kay Mayor Baste ngayon. How is he po as a acting mayor in Davao?
For Baste, I think he's making good, and he's also very strict, especially with the garbage and everything. You know.
And who is the vice mayor po ngayon?
Rigo. Si Rigo. Yes, it's Rigo.
So
acting vice mayor. Yeah.
Ma'am, I don't know if na pag-usapan niyo sa loob, I think most likely hindi no kasi the prosecutors kasi, ma'am, I'm not gonna ask it. No problem.
No politics.
Ikaw, ma'am, I'm sorry about that. Ma'am, do you have a message to the Filipino people, ma'am?
Yeah, I think with what is happening in the Philippines, and I think you have also read the news.
Yeah.
I hope the Filipino would do something about it. You know, it is you, the massa. It is you, the citizen, who can do something. It's not us. You. That's why I'm so happy that you are here. Talagang we are grateful. We are grateful for you. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. May question ba kayo, guys?
Question to ma'am about Vincent. You've been here for like kind of long time.
Yeah.
How are you, ma'am, here in the Netherlands?
I want to go home.
How about the foods, ma'am? Dutch food, did you have a try it?
Okay. I am okay with the food. I'm okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I think yun lang yung... Meron pa bang question, guys? Nobody?
Ayaw lang
Yung ma'am, nabanggit ba nyo ba kay Kakadin yung event ay yung 19?
Napag-usapan nyo ba, ma'am?
Oo, nabanggit ko na you will have your rally July 19. I think that there will be also in the Philippines.
Yes,
somebody
ma'am. Yes, correct.
Yeah, nabanggit ko talaga sa kanya. And he is happy. Pero sabi niya, wag na lang daw. Yun ang sabi niya.
We will never stop po talaga, ma'am.
So, then sabi ko, they won't stop. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. Pero I think he has that acceptance already because he's talking about cremation. Then sabi niya, oh, now you have a witness. Sabi niya kasi nandun yung guardian. Now, whatever I wanted, you tell my children. Okay, sige. Okay lang ako ng okay. Wala na akong...
Thank you, Ma'am Elizabeth.
Ma'am, at saka one last question na lang. I just want want to say thank you din kasi last time, Bibi Sara was really telling about kung makalabas si Tatay Digong, he's welcome in your house.
Yes,
Yun
yes,
yung ano sabi.
yes. I told already my children about that beforehand. Sabi ko, beforehand, I have been saying to them that if ever, that is also his choice. It's not my choice. Oh, kung gusto niya doon sa bahay ko, okay lang.
Oh, that's really nice.
Oh, yeah, no strings attached, no nothing.
Thank you, Ma'am Elizabeth. Ma'am, sorry for asking the political question. Hindi na mauulit, ma'am. Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am.